Welcome to question number 6 of the revised GRE general test. Now for this question here, you're told that P is a probability. This is our P here, let's circle P. P is the probability that the event E will occur, while S is the probability that the event E will not occur. So we want to determine the weight of quantity A and quantity B. So what am I going to do? Let's go back to probability. Now you recall that the probability of say you have two events. So now the event we are using, the event that we're given in the question here is E. So the event is E. So this is our event. So from what we know, the probability of an event plus the probability of the complement of that event should give us 1. So this is what we know anyway, and then this simply means not E. That is, the complement of E means not E. So that is what I wrote here is the probability of E plus the probability of not E should be 1. And then from the question here, we are told that the probability that E would occur is represented by P. So this is P plus, and then the probability that it will not occur is represented by S. So P plus S. Now this is going to give us 1. So that is what we know. So now since we know this, that's what I've been able to determine the relationship between P and S. So let me now find quantity A and quantity B. So my quantity A, like we've been doing, A here, so this is going to be, so this is, yep, this is good. So quantity A is P plus S, and then P plus S from what we obtained here is 1. So quantity A is 1, while quantity B is PS. So now, how then do I determine the weight of quantity B? Now from here, the extreme case is only when P is 1, P can be 1 and S is 0. Now 1 plus 0 would give you 1. And similarly, P can be 0 and S can be 1, and then 1 plus 0 will still give you 1. Now when either of this condition holds, that is when P equals 1 and S equals 0, then the product, then PS is going to give you 0. So for this condition here, A is greater than B. And similarly, when P is 0 and S is 1, then the product, that is PS, would also give you 0. Now you note the numbers I'm choosing must satisfy this condition here, that is 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is also 1. And then since these are the extreme cases, the other case you can consider is only numbers less than 1, because we're dealing with probability here, and then the probability must not be greater than 1. So the other cases that we have is only when P, so this is for the case 1. Now for case 2 is when P and S, when the two of them, when they're less than 1. And then from what we know, the product of two numbers that are less than 1, if P and S, if they are less than 1, then PS would definitely be less than 1. You could just try any number, maybe 1 over 2 times 1 over 4, 1 over 5 times 1 over 6. Any product, as far as each of the numbers are less than 1, then their product would also be less than 1. So for all the conditions that you might consider, 1, that is A, still has a higher weight than B. So since A has a higher weight than B, then we'll choose A to be our answer. That is, A is the answer to this question here. Thanks for watching.